guys see how bomb this looks? It looks so bomb. We only made puff puff within 10 minutes, guys, and no yeast. So this is how it looks like. It looks so bomb, and you guys don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Hi, you have the name. See you channel and watch the Craving family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Today I'll be making puff puff without yeast. And when I just mix, I'm gonna put it on the fire without letting it go for 1 hour. So let me show you the magic. Here we have our self-raising flour. I put it in. You have to use self-raising flour because this is the magic right here. So now I put in my non-milk. Now I put my sugar. I put a pinch of salt. I put in my vanilla extra. You guys, if you don't want to use vanilla extra, it's up to you. I'm just using vanilla extra to make my flavor very good. So, yeah. And you guys, I'm just gonna, after I mix, I'll just put on the fire. I'm not gonna let it to like raise for 1 hour now. Last but not least, I'll put in my organic Greek. And for those who know French, I'm going to turn on the pattern. Biologic Greek. And guys, this is the magic. This is the very magic. So, let's open it up. Ooh. So you guys, I'm going to mix and I put in my yogurt. Yeah, I have to mix very good. Oopsie, I clean that after, guys. And you guys, you have to make it very good. Now I'll clean. I mix and I put my yogurt one more time. And you guys, what I just said, you have to mix very good. So you guys, I make a circle and then I put in my yogurt. And do it very gently. Now I put my yogurt. Look at this, guys. Inside. Last one, guys. I'll put this in the garbage. I'll wash my hands, mix, put that in the garbage, and then I'll go fry. Mix. And you guys, I know you have been commenting that you miss me, so I'm making another video for you guys. And yeah, this is the best video of all. And thank you for 2,000 subscribers. I want to get to 3,000 subscribers, so please keep subscribing. Even on your computers, guys, subscribe everywhere. And by the way, guys, don't get last time out. You guys have an amazing day. You guys, if you want to become another engineer, click in the link below, or a clothing engineer, click in the link below, because my dad teaches IT. So yeah, guys. So you guys, this is how it looks like. It looks so bomb. I'm gonna go fry it, and yeah, let's do it. It's very important for a woman to always clean, because if you don't clean, it's super bad, guys, and it's very important. It's important for everyone. Even me, you, everyone. Now let's go fry. Come on. So you guys, now let's put in our oil and fry. Hey guys, I'm going to turn the gas. I'm going to allow it to be hot and fry. You guys, this is how you do it. You take a big one. Simple, right? Very simple. I'm just going to allow my oil to go hot and let's fry. And right now, guys, I'm teaching you guys. And by the way, guys, don't get us off. I want to reach to 3,000. So please just subscribe and like that video. I'm teaching you how to do this. And if you don't know how to do it, just come on my video. And yeah, if you want to be a W engineer or a clothing engineer, click the link below to register. Because my dad is an IT person. And this is how the oil looks like. And I'm going to teach you guys some things in French. Well, I'm teaching you this. So, bonjour tout le monde, je m'appelle Suzy. Aujourd'hui, on va faire puff puff. It means, hi everyone, my name is Suzy. You're actually the kind family. Today we're making puff puff. So you guys, I think my oil is ready, let's fry. Let's do another one. Fun. It's always going to be fun. You guys, I'll go ahead and wash my hands. So you guys, this is how it looks like. It looks so bomb. And did you actually know that we can make puff puff without yeast, and we can actually let it to be there for 10 minutes? Oh my god, you just know this right now. So you guys, this is how it looks like. It looks so bomb. And by the way, guys, don't forget the last time. Let's take it off. First things first, we have to put off the gas. So guys, this is how it looks like. It looks so bomb, and will you be trying this at home? Make this for your family, okay guys? I love you. Mwah. By the way, guys, don't forget to subscribe. So you guys, I'm gonna pray and then eat. Amen, amen. Lord bless my mommy, bless my daddy, bless my baby sister, bless my baby brother, bless me, bless everyone in this world, bless the people who are in the hospital, bless Canada, bless the United States, bless Africa, bless Cameroon. Bless God to bless everyone. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come. Thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen. Now let's taste. It tastes like super good, guys. I'm gonna have an amazing day. These for those who made it to the end. You have to make this for your family. It's like so crunchy. And yeah, by the way, guys, don't forget to ask us. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and yeah, peace.